Right here by the stream, by the banner, you will see your class name, class code just underneath is meet link. So when it's like this with the eye closed, it means it's not visible. Even when the children click on it, they cannot meet online with whoever, be it the peers or anybody. It's not connecting anybody. It's just there. So it means it's not visible. So this is how you make it visible to your students. You come right here, settings, class details, you skip, general, invite code, you skip, then right down here by Google Meet. You will activate it and save it. If you like, now it's active, and when students click on it, then they can go to the meeting. If you like, you can then come here, the arrow, then you copy, then you move up. To share it, you'll just put it here, and right there it gives you an option. Who do you want to share it with? So you'll choose any class. Maybe you want to share it with 5 Milo and 5 Oak. Then you do that. You take it off. Okay. Let's say, for instance, the support classes. You're looking to share a link with your students in 5 Willow, but specific students. So you're going to click on you will click by all students, then arrow facing down. You'll unclick all the students. Let's say you want this lovely student and Bako and Boso and Eshon. So you can activate that link, then you share with those 4 students so you can have the meet with them. Now you need to make it invisible so they do not see it or come back to your meet. Do the same way, deactivate, make sure that you save, and it has the eye so it's not visible again. And that's it.